Walaikum assalam everyone. How are you today? Fine. Okay, sit down everyone, sit down. Today my subject is life and livelihood and topics is financial understanding. Financial understanding means how can you use your fund, your money in various sector. Okay. First, I want to tell you about our family. Family is precious and life priceless for us. I think here is all about financial understanding of finance. How can we use fund in different sectors? Mainly, it started from our family. Already last class I taught you about the family, its various different types of income and expenditure sectors. Can I ask you, Sohag, come here. Can you tell us some source of income of our family, your family? Please tell us loudly.
We should know about family income. Family income is basically the house income which is earned by the members of the family. The sources of family income might be business, then service holders such as working in any office,
Salaries of job.
and we can also earn money from freelancing and part-time works, etc.
Do you know the direct income and indirect income of a family?
If someone directly starts a business or works in any office and earns money through that source, it will be known as direct income. And if anyone does any business other than their main work, such as selling cakes or sewing, etc., it will
And earn some profit earnings. This is also direct income. And indirect income, there have some skill everyone of family like sewing, cooking, okay, tailoring, etc., etc. Then he can reduce his expenditure.
yes.
Through this, he can make income. This is called indirect income. Okay, Soha, sit down. Thank you, Soha. There is some expenditure. Why we make ensure the incomes? We have some expenditures also in our family. Rent. In family, there are some expenditures like house rent, transport fee, grocery shops, different types of items, food. You are taking food from Food Panda. There is also an expenditure. And some daily expenses. So to fill up this expenditure, we need income. And in every family, there must have a way that income must be greater than expenditure. Okay? You can discuss your family, parents, okay, then write down the different types of expenditure of your family, make a list. Now your individual work is you have to make a list of family expenditures. Okay, you can discuss your family, parents, okay, then write down the different types of expenditure of your family, make a list. It is your individual work. This is, I will take it tomorrow. Tomorrow's class, I will check this. You are clear about the family finance, the income and expenditure, and how can we make savings. And these savings we can invest in different sectors. And the sectors are, you know very well, it's maybe land, you can keep it in bank, you can invest in capital markets, share markets, you can purchase shares, bond, debentures, and also nowadays is very famous agriculture side, agro farms, we can consider it. So this is our mainly family investment. Now make a group. In every group there must have 6 to 7 students make a group, and there is group work. You have to write about the investment, family investments, different types of family investment sectors. Okay. হ্যাঁ একটু লাগাই করো, এই জায়গাটা একটু কালার একটু ভালো করে করো, একদম ছাত্র মাথা। অভিনয় অভিনয় বুঝছেন? স্টার্ট স্টার্ট ইজ গোয়িং অন, ভিডিও ইজ গোয়িং অন। তাকাইস না, ভিডিও হচ্ছে, এটার সামনে রাখ। Did you finish? You need more time?
Yes, please. I need more time.
Okay. 2 more? Okay. Come here in center. Okay. Start.
Thank you all for giving me a chance to speak. Today our topic is investment. Let us first know what investment is. Investment is the use of a certain amount of money under one's supervision for the purpose of obtaining profit under a certain amount of risk. There are 2 types of investment. One is direct investment and another one is indirect investment. What is direct investment? In indirect investment, the individual invests on his own responsibility and using his own money by himself. But in indirect investment, the person who invests money is not directly involved in the use of the said money. There are some features of investment which are risk, return, safety, capital growth, marketability, purchasing power, stability, and benefits. What are the pros and cons of investment? Pros. Investing helps us to beat inflationary pressure. Also, it helps us to earn profit within a short amount of time. But in case of cons, there can be a huge amount of loss if the investment plan is not accurate. Thank you all.
Thank you, Group C, especially Ruponti. She gave a very nice presentation about investment, family investment. Now another group, Group E. Are you ready with your presentation? Okay, come. One is Yusha. Okay, another group. Are you ready? Group E. Are you ready with your presentation? Okay, come. Hold it in whiteboard. The group leader's name is Wanisa, and 2 group members, Shubhamita and Yusra.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to everyone. I, Vanessa Masmiyar, is going to present about the investment ideas. Investment means to obtain an additional source of income or gain profit from the investment over a specific period of time. Here we can look types of investment and indirect investment. Direct investment or foreign direct investment is designed to acquire a controlling interest in an enterprise. It means putting our money directly into something like buying stock. Indirect investment means a form of investment through the purchase of share, bonds, other valuable papers, and whereby the investor doesn't participate directly in the investment activity. Here we can look investment planning. We need certain amount of money for investment. We can invest our labor and talent. There will be increase of wealth after a certain period of time. There are different degrees of risk in investment. The higher the risk, the higher the return. There are different ideas of investment. Investing money in share marketing, buying land, trading in different types of agricultural products, starting a small supply or business on his own initiative. We think that starting a small business online as it is more profitable if we could take proper decision. In this investment, we have to bear our own intelligence, time, and risk to manage it. Thank you everyone for listening.
Okay, thank you, Group E. Thank you, Vanessa. Sit down. Of investment, এরকম একটা বলি উইশ তো হয় না ইনভেস্টমেন্ট হোয়াটস ইওর প্ল্যান অ্যাবাউট ইনভেস্টমেন্ট এরকম একটা কিছু বলি এটা একদম এই পিয়াল সোজা হয়ে যাবে সবাই নাকি এরকম গ্রুপ গ্রুপ থাকবে এই জায়গাটা ফাঁকা লাগছে স্টার্ট Now we talk about different types of investments. Okay, we understand about investment. What is investment? Okay, let's assume I give you individually 2 lakh taka and I will return it after 1 year. You can use it in different sector. So everyone make a plan of 1 year about 2 lakh taka. What to do? What's your investment plan? Okay, just think for 2 minutes and you have to tell me about your planning about investment. Okay, just think for 2 minutes only. It will be your planning in for future, what you can do. Can I ask now about your planning or you need more time? Randomly, I am asking Purnata, stand up, please. What's your plan for next 1 year about 2 lakh? 2 lakh is your capital. Just think, and you have to make a plan for any kind of business.
First, open a boutique, and for that, I will need machineries and other employees to hire. I will also need raw materials from other places, also from buying through wholesale, etc. And then I will rent a place with the capital I have, and then create a boutique of my own. And after gaining the profit, I will return you the money after 1 year.
And then profit making plan.
I will definitely put a higher rate in the clothings, as I also have expenses in the marketing and etc. That's why.
Okay, thank you. Now another one. Ipsita, please stand up. Please tell something about your wish investment areas.
Yes, I would like to invest into a private business sector because I would invest in them and I would put my trust in them.
That's enough?
Yes, and I would make sure to get my profit from them and put my whole trust in them.
Okay, thank you. So just stand up. Yeah, you can tell us about your investment.
Miss, I would like to invest that money on opening a nail salon because I love doing nail arts. For opening a nail salon, I would like to hire some employees like my helpers and stuff, and I would
Okay, go ahead.
I have to buy nail polishes and nails, fake nails for opening that salon.
Some accessories for teenagers
Yes,
or
ma'am.
kids. Okay. Okay, no problem. It may be a good investment area. Thank you. Just, I want to say something that nowadays there are different types of new jobs and investment sectors. Like, it's also a source of income nowadays. Blogging, content creator. Do you have any plan about all this vlogging, content creator, or something else like? Do you have any planning? Anyone? No. No vlogger and no content maker in my class. Vanessa, do you have any plan about this?
Yes, I want to travel different places and I want to make videos about those places and I want to give references that like by vlogging I want to give reviews about those places so that people can feel more comfort and they can comfortably go there without any hesitation. So I would like to travel the world and I want to vlog about it.
There is
And,
also
yeah.
a big investment, you know.
Yes, miss.
You have to buy some accessories like high resolution cameras.
Yes, after vlogging, I can earn money. That is a source. So I can earn money from there, and I can buy those
Nowadays,
accessories.
this is new business ideas is adding with old ideas.
Yes,
It's a new thing,
Yes.
and we can make profit or create income through this. And now it is very popular, I think. Okay, Vanessa will be a travel content creator or vlogger. Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay. Now I am at the end of my class. Class time is already finished. Now we have to give some homework. This is a home task. Okay. That is the next one. We are at the end of our class. Now we are end of our class. Class time is also finished. So now I have to give some home task. Land purchase is also an investment sector of us. Okay, to purchase a land, we have to make sure some papers, documents. This is your home task. What will be the different types of documents and papers when we purchase, when we invest our precious fund in land? ঠিক আছে? The fund is very precious. We have to invest it in precious investment sectors. Okay, for today this is end of our class. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you so much. It was a very nice class. Okay.